Hi Quillers, this is Agnes. Today let us speak about on-edge quilling. If you're into paper quilling and you have come here to find quilling tutorials and to get more tips on quilling, then do subscribe. This is the channel for you. On-edge quilling. When I first heard the name, I was wondering without knowing that it is the name of the technique which I was already making, and it is a technique which I love the most. On-edge quilling is sticking paper strips to their edge. They are not traditional quilling techniques or shapes, but they are glued along the line of a design or can be the outline of a letter or words, which is generally referred as typography. The best paper to suit on-edge quilling is cardstock, especially with 140 to 165 GSM in thickness. They can be bent with little taming of paper and also holds the shape well. The usual pre-cut strips in market are about 80 to 100 GSM thick. GSM is different from LB, the measure used in USA. To know more about GSM and LBs, check my video on it. Remember, the weight of paper is different from weight of cardstock even with the same LBs. In other words, the thickness 120 lb paper is not equal to 120 lb cardstock. When your work involves more of straight lines, you can work with 220 to 250 GSM or even 300 GSM, which doesn't require more of foldings, as bends and folds are harder to achieve with such thickness. When the work is bigger in scale, use thicker paper than usual. For even more tips and tricks on on-edge quilling, check my video on it. I will leave its link in the description below, so do check it out. Hope this video is useful for you. Share it with your quilling friends and click thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching.